it's Rhonda with the Cozy Loft. Today we're going to make this wreath, which cost $5 for all the supplies. I purchased everything at Dollar Tree for a total of $5 plus tax. Okay, here's what we'll need. A glue gun, a pair of scissors, an ornament of some sort. This one is probably about 6 inches long. A couple of the fuller size Christmas picks. Some Christmas ribbon. This one is 9 feet and it has the wire edges. And then the 12-inch willow wreath. Let's get started. Okay, we'll first start by taking all the tags off of everything. Plugged in the glue gun, and now I'm going to start kind of figuring out where I want everything to be on the wreath. I think I'm going to do mine something like that. Let's see. I like that. And then maybe put the bow up here. Okay, let's set this aside for a second and work on the bow. Two of these are about 23 inches, one is 19 inches, and one is about 4 inches. But you can change that based on how you want your bow to look. Okay, so we're just going to fold this like so. Ends up being about 9 inches. I'm just kind of doing a double bow here. What you want to do with the third piece is just go ahead and kind of gather that together. And you want to take all of these into the same middle spot. And you want to tie this. And I'm just going to use the cord from the Santa ornament. I'm going to take this and fold it to the center like that. So fold both of those in. All this is just to cover where we worked on this. And then we'll glue that into place. I'll go ahead and kind of fluff this out just a little bit to make sure we have our placement where we want it. On the edges, let's go ahead and cut. You fold it in half and cut a triangle out of it, basically. You just cut at an angle and make it look like that. Okay, it looks like I have everything down the way that I wanted it. I did go ahead and take a little bit of the foam berries off of another area and put it here. I thought it needed a little something. I'm trying to balance out where this has a whole lot of white and then putting the extra red over here so it doesn't look unbalanced. I actually think that's pretty good. So you just kind of have to play with it, and you can pull things off, the pine cones, you can pull things off and move them around wherever you would like and you feel like it needs something. Let's go ahead and put it on the wreath hanger and see how it looks. Okay, there we go. I think that looks pretty good. And this is the $5 wreath. It has a lot of kind of glittery and snow-capped items on here, like the berries has some glitter and some snow on it, and same thing for the leaves, the greenery. And then the ribbon, I think you can tell there, has a lot of glitter and sparkle to it. So it turns out to be really cute. This is actually an interior door that I have that goes from my dining room into my living room. And I kind of like that there. And just kind of keep playing with it a little bit until you get it the way you want it. And I like that there's some of the twigs coming out here. It gives it more of a rustic aesthetic.